I hate to say this, son, but you're severely obese.
Jeez. You're not much of a looker either. When's the last time you had sex? About 9 months before I was born. At least there's a reason I can't see my package. When was the last time you saw yours, little man?
Little man? Don't speak to me that way. I'm your father. Besides, we were discussing how fat you are, Mr. Fatty McFaddington.
You think that I'm fat, and I say that you're hung like a baby field mouse.
That is not true. I'm hung like a New York City tunnel rat. I've seen pictures.
Really? That's kind of awkward. You should keep that one to yourself.
Well, you got me sidetracked, damn it. What were we talking about?
You were saying that you were about to go fuck yourself.
I guess we'll just agree to disagree. Anyways, dinner will be done in about 10 minutes. What am I saying? I bet you can smell that from here. Fatty.